Week on Sailing with the Litzenbergers.
These are my boat papers. Not necessarily this boat, but I have owned this boat before.
Make the boat a home, which I'm pretty excited about. Spencer has to be on board. Spencer and I want to do a giveaway. This is your warning. This video contains content that might not be appropriate for all audiences. We made it to Vero Beach. We woke up super early this morning and saw that a boat was leaving, and so we got a mooring ball. And now I'm putting registration stickers on the dinghy. Alaska let us call in our registration, and so yeah, we're doing that. And so now we are completely legal. Super legit registration.
Yeah, this should go well.
Although it turns out, like, if you just go in there with like a folder and stuff that's laminated.
Oh yeah.
They were like, "You were so organized." I was like, "Yes, I am."
Be like, and it's all 100% real.
Yeah.
Why did you add that part? You gotta say so there's no perjuring yourself.
Yeah.
So it's like, yeah, these are all mine. These are my papers. That's true.
Yeah.
These are my boat.
All true things that I'm saying.
These are my boat papers. Not necessarily this boat, but I have owned this boat before.
If anybody asks, this is a wood vessel.
What's our number?
AK 6356AT.
Nice. Oh no shit! You actually have paperwork too.
Oh yeah, this is super legit.
Yeah, this is pretty good.
The boat is registered in Colorado. I have a Washington license. My boat's registered. My dinghy's registered in Alaska. Why, sir, would you assume that these are not legitimate?
What are you implying?
I take offense. They don't even check the registration. Like, I know the Coast Guard one for Tarka is totally expired. It's not even in our name.
It's a nice boat you own. Funny thing is I don't.
Yeah.
It's a nice boat you're on. There we go.
There
That's
we
the
go.
verbiage we're looking for.
Oh my God.
Stop saying that. You're gonna jinx us. Knock on your wood dinghy. Just say what type of vessel is a sail.
I gotta do it.
Dude, you're balling this all up.
So if you do 3, 5 is...
How can you do it backwards?
No, I did it right.
You can do it upside down, but you can only do it one way.
Well, but you read it a different way, you know what I mean?
No, but we're not gonna be able to communicate this to each other. You know, like you normally read, but the other way you read.
Whatever, Bagel.
Like in Spanish? No, like the other way.
Looks pretty damn good. The weather is supposed to be not that great for the next couple of weeks, and it is extremely hot in Vero. You can see that when we were here the first time. It's so hot that you can't close the fucking hatches.
The main reason not to be here isn't the hurricanes. It's all the goddamn bugs.
It's your wife who's gonna bitch about
Actually,
all the bugs and the heat all the time. I did not enjoy it at all. So instead of waiting around for weather, we decided that we're going to put Tarka on the mooring ball and head up to North Carolina since rental cars are so cheap. And we're going to go see Sarah and Andy, our friends from Radio Waves. Tell everybody why we didn't go lithium.
I don't have any money. I'm gonna put $6 grand in the boat. It's not gonna be the batteries.
So these are the old batteries. We just installed the new batteries. Looks exactly the same because they are. We were just in North Carolina with our friends. We had a really great time. It looks like there's actually a subtropical low moving in now. So we're gonna be in Vero for another week or so, which isn't too bad. I think we're gonna take some time and
make like mini hurricane.
Yeah, make the boat a home, which I'm pretty excited about. And Spencer has to be on board because
I do.
You do.
That's it. Let's paint some shit.
Yay!
I will help you as much as you help with the batteries.
Hey, I already fucking helped you with those ones. Pickle. I did. I threw my back out doing so. This part, I can't. After all our errands today, we got paint. I got a rug and I got a couple candles. Spencer is thrilled about. And I'm gonna paint this wall. So in Guatemala, I'm sorry about the generator noise, but we have to charge the new batteries. If you want to bitch about the sound, you should become a paid subscriber and we can upgrade our sound stuff. We painted this wall in Guatemala, but we didn't use semi-gloss. So it gets really dirty really easily. Also, I've discovered that with all the gray in here and the dark wood, it just looks really dark in here. And part of my whole idea is to lighten and brighten things up. So I got a color scheme and I'm going to try and stick to that color scheme, and we are going to paint this wall a brighter color. So I'm taping it off now, and Spencer's going to get all the other stuff that I bought at TJ Maxx, and we're going to decorate the boat a little bit. Lights are off because the batteries aren't fully charged, but Spencer continued to paint.
Yeah, well.
And look at his face. Look at you. You have a drip, or like a, yes. Oh, it fell on the floor.
No, it did not.
Yes, it did. Honey, you had a brush thing.
A bristle?
Yeah,
those
hanging
fucking
from
bristles
your
are shit.
face.
I was biting bristles out of it the whole time.
Well, that's why your lips are blue.
That's my commitment to quality for your boat, B. And this is the kind
Well,
of
we've
things
decided that maybe the quality, not that it just could be better, maybe.
Well, no, the night job was shitty. I'm gonna do a better job in the morning.
Yeah, so we're gonna do it in the morning, but.
Yeah, I'm not gonna let it go now. Get out of here.
What are you doing?
Working.
Repainting?
I'm putting a second coat on. It's not repainting. I did the prep work yesterday and I'm finishing the job today.
Look at what we did this morning though. Bam! Isn't this cool? It hangs, so there's no risk of it falling.
Well, there's less.
Yeah, isn't this cool? And I got this really cool plant at Home Depot.
There you are.
These things are so gross.
Oh, is that?
These things are so gross.
Those are original.
I know.
Those are vintage. That's nice.
Put your face in it
You
right
put
now.
your face in it.
Would you do it?
Well,
We've been doing it every single night.
What do I get?
I'm just saying it's so gross. Like 80% of this weight is just dust mite.
What's in those holes?
Water tanks.
Have you looked in there before?
Yeah.
Can you get to like? Is there like a viewing thing?
I don't know, but let's focus on this first, and then we'll maybe move to a different topic.
Don't tell me what to do.
Let's go. You what?
Way more than the toolbox does.
I told you 80% of the weight is dust mites. That's true.
Okay, should I bring the thing in?
Yeah. Are you nervous?
I mean,
I feel like we should have gotten a twin. And we got a full. I'm so excited about this because our mattress, well, you saw how gross it was, but also I like wake up with the worst headaches.
we're not gonna blame the booze. This thing is way big.
Oh shit.
Don't hog around the camera. Oh, it's not that big.
Okay. Hold on, my God.
Honey,
Ow, 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 ow. That's my foot. Ow. Ah,
is
it's
it
turning to a point.
Get out! Alright.
Oh shit, fuck.
How do you want to carve this thing up?
I don't know.
I mean, my thought, like, I don't want to undershoot it,
Yeah, I know.
so I guess maybe we should carve high and just keep
Yeah.
taking bits off.
Yeah. And so begins the mattress cutting. Let's hope we measured
These are like the
well.
worst angles for me. It's always me bent over. Ready? Hold your edge up.
And here's the finished product. Look how nice. So bright.
So this is a project that I've been putting off forever. We decided since we're sitting here, I'm gonna take some time and do it. Our table looks like garbage. And so what I'm gonna do, it's all ringed up and old and cracky and shitty. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sand it down a little bit, and then I'm gonna thin out some epoxy with some denatured alcohol to try to fill in all these holes and things, and then build up a couple layers of epoxy, throw on some varnish, and hopefully it'll look a lot better. And if I fuck it up, we're just gonna paint it white. I think that's a pretty good plan.
While Spencer's doing the table, I bought these little frames to go above the bed. Like 9 of them. And we'll put little pieces of artwork that we get along the way in them. But I don't really like the color, so I got some paint, and I'm gonna paint them. And then also there's a print that that has a little bit of more of a backstory. I want to paint that frame too, so I'm gonna do that. Spencer finished the table! Doesn't it look so good? It looks awesome! And I painted my frames, which brings me to my next point. Okay, so this print is actually really sentimental to us because this little nugget wrote a book. This is my brother. He doesn't look like this now, obviously. He looks like this. The book just came out. It's called Aowen, Your Song is Your Story, and I got my copy, and I'm so excited about it, and I am definitely like a prideful sister. It's a children's book about non-traditional families and kindness and acceptance, and it's a way to start a conversation with kids that's just really beautiful, and the artwork in it is all done by my soon-to-be sister-in-law. Spencer and I want to do a giveaway. We want to give one of you my brother's book. Comment below whale or something in regards to the book so that I know you want one. And then next Friday, I'll choose at random one person to send the book to. So be sure you comment below, and next Friday I will direct message you and let you know that you've been chosen to receive a copy. Make sure you go buy the book for any kids in your life. It's a really, really beautiful read, and I think they'll really love it. The website is booksbywalters.com. I'll also link it in the description below, so make sure you click that and check them out. Now it feels so complete. The table's done, the print's up. It's awesome. Thanks for watching, fries. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell so you get notifications every time we upload a video, which is every Friday. Here's a sneak peek of what's to come.
Okay. When you go into gear, this whole fucking thing goes raw and tries to jump off. When you put it in gear, it looks like the motor wanted to jump off the mounts.
I feel like this scene is all too familiar in our videos.
I think you just changed the channel. I told you broken run.